I call him? Pumpkin.
Yes, daddy.
Yeah, boy, let me call you.
Me a come.
Come here, man. I say, come what day, Master Joe, borrow my cup and my spoon.
Yeah.
I'm going to go feet back for me. It's a pink cup and a black spoon. I go feet.
Yeah.
And if you don't come back with it, I'm going to beat you.
Daddy.
Because I'm saying I got school.
You say a pink cup and a black spoon.
Yes, make sure you remember, you know.
Me a go remember. Say no back at school. I run a school. You say me no.
I don't make me spit on me, Jai.
No, daddy. You know,
You
Jai.
say, you know, Jai? I'm going to chill with you.
Alright, me soon come. Now yourself, daddy. Me gone for. Spoon, cup, spoon. Cup, spoon, cup, spoon. Cup, spoon. Cup, spoon. Cup, spoon, cup, spoon, cup, spoon. Majo,
Yes, sir.
daddy say you have to give me cup and a spoon. Well, enough from last year, December. Cup and spoon. Yeah. Black. No. Pink cup and a black spoon.
Oh,
Daddy saying you want it.
Oh, a reddish color white cup.
Yes, man, that's said one day. If you say yes, anytime you lend it back, you say anytime you come back, you buy a cup and spoon, you not get it back, you love beg too much.
Oh, you know, say, I would drink 2 tea out of
Yeah, so where there?
you know, say,
I think you don't even know where.
oh, you didn't come again, man. I run go.
Hurry up and come back. Say, boy, Mas Joe, no sense, though. Take one levels. Mas Joe, hurry up, no, man. Me see Black Cash and you would have pay my blame, man. Hurry up, no, man.
Man, find it. Yes, man, I can't give your father this in a boat. One problem, no grass, they are grey night.
So, Mas Joe, don't say her. Look at me, you're nasty till you're ugly, man. Look at me, man.
Yes, man. Me know what I'm nasty. Oh, now me can't play my with father God. Me want can play no.
Cup, spoon. Pumpkin. Black Cash and. Where the fuck?
That's so mad with that play though. You can't play so mad with me.
Yeah, Blacks, you don't see a madman do it. You want out of some play marble? Look how it's on hot in the summer here. And you play marble, you get blacker.
So,
Alright, Blacks, okay? You play 1 or 2 rounds. 1 round of marble.
if you can play 2 or 2 your number.
No, not my number. Blacks,
One more tell me.
you know say. How come Mas Joe just go for that cup here? A glass of go in there.
And a glass of grey night cup.
Yes, him boy nasty, you see man. And then me come over, me care for him marble game.
Come here, see here, man.
Alright, I mean what the job, see
Yeah,
now.
man, you know the job.
Go down your road, go down. Alright, watch ya. Me know the job, see. Go down.
Well, you are idiot. You must beat you.
Yeah, boy, man. I want if I'm married, I play with a black ugly boy. When they call Black Cash and nah, beer. I say, I go see me, say, kill him with lick and box him and box him in the dirt. Come to my line, yay. Oh. Lucky boy, I play. I want to mush up his
Pakashan, man. You push until you fool, brother. Anyway, Alex, then you have finished.
Rocky, pumpkin. And the father keep let her come.
Wait, Jesus Christ.
I say, I say, man, boy. Front up, man. Yo, come here.
Yes, father, keep
I say, not a man if you go up on the sport.
Yes, sir, no, sir.
Yes, I know, so what you say, boy?
No, sir.
Me let you have these others. See, open up.
That's why mommy left your front, Zilaka.
My woman has no manners. Open your yard, boy. Go piss bed, boy. You're 25 years and still a piss bed. Okay.